Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Let's talk about, do you need a permit to install your windows? We're just doing retrofit windows. Do we really need a permit? The answer is it depends. It's gonna be dependent on the city that you live in. For instance, Simi Valley, they don't require a permit. If you're just doing like-for-like windows and you're not removing any of the framing, there's no need for them to come out and inspect. So they would say, yeah, don't waste our time with that, you know? But then there are some cities, I would say probably more of the majority of cities, that it's money, right? And so they're going to want to make sure, I mean, if you have to do a water heater permit, lots of different things whenever you're, doing work on your house, they want to have another avenue for more revenue. And pulling a permit to do a retrofit window might be it. So I would definitely check with your city and go to their website, find out, in the building code section if it's required. The other thing is if you live in an HOA, a lot of times the HOA, written in as a stipulation, like if you're gonna do these windows, we wanna make sure that you're gonna pull a permit. Now, there are some customers that I've had, many, that say, you know what, I don't really wanna do a permit for whatever reason, and will we do the work? Yeah, we'll still do the work. We're gonna do it to code. That will be the one thing I would always say, is that if there's a bedroom and it's got a small window from the 50s and they're not pulling a permit, well, I'm still gonna suggest that we go with a casement window to give them the code needed. That way, in the event that somebody driving by working for the city sees what's happening, they question it, you get a call or get something in the mail, and they say, you could say, all right, well, no problem, man. Let's go ahead and ask for forgiveness after the fact, have somebody come out, take a look and go, all right, well, it looks like all the codes were, met. That'll just be a fee for the tax purposes. The long short of it is, most times, yes, you're gonna need a permit, but dependent on your city. Hopefully, that answers your question. Have a great day, guys. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.